A new technology developed by University of Zurich researchers enables the body to produce therapeutic agents on demand at the exact location where they are needed. The innovation could reduce the side effects of cancer therapy and may hold the solution to better delivery of COVID-related therapies directly to the lungs. Scientists at the University of Zurich have modified a common respiratory virus called adenovirus to act like a Trojan horse to deliver genes for cancer therapeutics directly into tumor cells. Unlike chemotherapy or radiotherapy, this approach does no harm to normal healthy cells. Once inside tumor cells, the delivered genes serve as a blueprint for therapeutic antibodies, cytokines, and other signaling substances which are produced by the cancer cells themselves and act to eliminate tumors from the inside out. The researcher says that they trick the tumor into eliminating itself through the production of anti-cancer agents by its own cell. The therapeutic agents such as therapeutic antibodies or signaling substances mostly stay at the place in the body where they are needed instead of spreading throughout the bloodstream where they can damage healthy organs and tissues. The researchers call their technology SHRED for Shielded Retargeted Adenovirus. With the SHRED system, the scientists made the tumor itself produce a clinically approved breast cancer antibody called trastuzumab in the mammary of a mouse. They found that after a few days, SHRED produced more of the antibody in the tumor than when the drug was injected directly. Moreover, the concentration in the bloodstream and in other tissues where side effects could occur were significantly lower with SHRED. The scientists used a very sophisticated high-resolution 3D imaging method and tissues rendered totally transparent to show how the therapeutic antibody produced in the body creates pores in blood vessels of the tumor and destroys tumor cells and thus treats it from the inside. The researchers emphasize that SHRED is applicable not only for the fight against breast cancer. As healthy tissues no longer come into contact with significant levels of the therapeutic agent, it is also applicable for delivery of a wide range of so-called biologics, powerful protein-based drugs that would otherwise be too toxic. In fact, the researchers are currently applying their technology in a project aimed as a therapy for COVID-19. Adenoviral vectors are already being used in several of the COVID vaccines, including the Johnson & Johnson, AstraZeneca, China's CanSino Biologics, and Russia's Sputnik V vaccines, but without the innovative SHRED technology. The researchers say that by delivering the SHRED treatment to patients via an inhaled aerosol, their approach could allow targeted production of COVID antibody therapies in lung cells where they are needed most. This would reduce costs, increase accessibility of COVID therapies, and also improve vaccine delivery with the inhalation approach.